Hello my colleagues, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at 5 best altcoins to buy for future profits. These are altcoins I have researched and identified that have very great potential. I want to encourage you all not to overlook any of these coins or even invest blindly, but rather go the extra mile in carrying out your own research. Also, I want to let you know that I will be investing $50 to $100 individually in all these coins, and I have created a spreadsheet to track the prices of these coins, and I will be updating this spreadsheet every month so we can know our profits or losses from these $50 to $100 or even more investments. I'll leave a link to this spreadsheet in the comment section and description. With that being said, if you're interested in business and finance related content, do me a favor by smashing the like button, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to as well join my business and investing community. And let's jump right into the video. Let's go. The first altcoin I believe has great prospect is the BGB, or you can say the BitGet token. BGB is a cryptocurrency that serves as a utility token for the BitGet exchange platform on the Ethereum blockchain. It was launched in July 2021 with a price of $0.05850 and a total supply of 2 billion tokens. 1.4 billion tokens currently are in circulation. Now let's jump into the nitty-gritty so you can understand why I think this coin is such a good buy. Remember earlier on I said that this coin was a utility token, right? Well, the question is, what is a utility token and why is BGB special? I want you to think of utility tokens like tickets, or you can say tokens as well, that you can use in an amusement park. When you go to an amusement park, you need tokens to access rides, games, and other attractions, right? Utility tokens work similarly in the digital world, but instead of accessing physical attractions, they grant you access to certain features or services within a specific platform or ecosystem. So when we talk about BGB being a utility token, it means that it has a specific purpose within the BitGet ecosystem. BitGet is a fast rising crypto exchange like Binance, and users of BitGet use their BGB tokens to access various features and benefits offered by the BitGet platform. This could include discounted trading fees, access to premium features, or participation in governance. I am very bullish on the BitGet ecosystem because of how fast the company is rising in the crypto space. Right now, it is among the top 3 crypto exchanges in Nigeria and probably among the top 7 globally. They have one of the biggest copy trading communities in crypto, and it is worth knowing that during bull cycles, native tokens tend to do well. If you take a look at coin market cap, you see that the coin is currently trading at $1.25 and is currently at its all-time high. Now, many of you might be scared because of the coin is currently trading at its all-time high, but I believe that this is just the beginning, and as the BitGet exchange gains more popularity, its token would as well rise in value. You can purchase the BGB token on the BitGet exchange. I will leave a link to that in the description and comment section. This coin has the potential to trade at $7 minimum. Fingers crossed. Next up, we have Chainlink. Founded in 2017, I want you to imagine Chainlink as a bridge between the real world and the digital world of blockchain. Here is a relatable use case. Imagine you are running a poultry farm and you have a smart contract, or you can say a computer, that automatically orders feed whenever it runs out in the farm. However, this smart contract or computer needs to know the current real-life market price of poultry feed to make the best purchasing decisions. Here is where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network can fetch real-time data from various sources such as agricultural websites or commodity exchanges to provide accurate and up-to-date feed prices to the smart contract or computer. With Chainlink, your smart contracts can securely access this external data, ensuring that your poultry farm orders feed at the best prices without any manual intervention. Chainlink currently has a market cap of $8 billion. It is currently trading at $13, almost 14, and has an all-time high of $51, which was achieved around 3 years ago. This year, the coin touched $20 before falling to its current price. The trading volume of the coin has been ranging from around 300 million USD to 600 million USD, indicating that there is high liquidity for the coin. Over 1.2 million people have this coin in their watch list, meaning that they think it would go higher. So I believe now is the best time to buy before a huge bunch of these guys that have it on their watch list jump on the coin. Well, for you to invest in Chainlink, simply make use of the Binance application, Bybit or OKX. I have gone the extra mile in including the sign up links to all these exchanges you can use to invest in all the coins I'll be talking about in this video. I'll leave a link to all the exchanges in the comment section and description. Overall, I believe the coin has a very good use case. They have a solid team behind the project, and I have every reason to think that this coin will trade higher than it is currently trading and make good money for anyone who invests in it right now. OASIS is a type of blockchain network which is like a secure and decentralized digital ledger where transactions and data are recorded. OASIS network rules is a type of layer 1 blockchain network which acts like a secure and decentralized digital ledger where transactions and data are recorded. It's called a layer 1 blockchain, meaning it is not built on top or inside any other blockchain. Rather, other blockchains, or you can say other things, are built on top of it. For proper understanding, I want you to see the internet that you use as a giant highway system, and we will assume that regular blockchains are like single lane roads on this giant highway. And because they are just single lanes on the highway, they can get clogged easily, which means that there will be too much traffic and huge transaction. We'll say assume that trucks are this huge transaction take a long time to get through. Also, everything on the highway is completely visible to everyone else. So OASIS network rules is like when the government comes in and says, oh, this highway has just one lane and there is too much traffic, so let's build a new one that has multi lanes and is built for the future. And here's what makes it special: it has privacy. Transactions on OASIS are like cars with tinted windows. People can't see what's happening inside, meaning that your data is private. It has speed and efficiency. This highway has many lanes, so transactions can move quickly and cheaply. Finally, it is secured. The highway is built with strong materials and security features to keep everything safe. This advanced highway is designed to handle the next generation of internet applications like decentralized finance, gamify, digital collectibles like NFTs, virtual world, which is the metaverse, data ownership, which has to do with data tokenization, and data management groups called data DAOs. Basically, OASIS is like a powerful engine that will help the internet evolve and become more private and efficient and user friendly. And guess what? Lots of big companies are partnering with them, showing that OASIS is a promising technology for the future. Now let's take a look at their numbers. OASIS, or you can say ROSE, has a market cap of 676 million USD as of the time of making this video. It's on the watch list of over 500,000 people and is currently trading at 0.1013 US dollars. The coin is 83% down from its all-time high of 0.5964 and is just 215% from its all-time low of 0.03205. This is one of those coins I am willing to take a big bet on for massive long-term profit. You can buy OASIS network rules on Binance, KuCoin or Bybit. Next up, we have Helium, or you can call it the HNT token. I want you to imagine Helium as a giant wireless network built by regular people instead of big companies. This network uses special devices called Helium hotspot to connect low power gadgets. Think of your phones, smartwatches, trackers to the internet over long distances, way further than your normal Wi-Fi can. People who own these hotspots get rewarded with HNT tokens, a kind of digital money for helping the network grow and work smoothly. Anyone can buy Helium hotspots for around 500 USD and start earning HNT tokens. There are already over 500,000 Helium hotspots worldwide, mostly in cities. HNT tokens can be traded on cryptocurrency markets like other digital currencies. You can also use them to help secure the network and earn even more HNT. Now the question is, what makes Helium special? The first thing that makes Helium special is that it is decentralized, meaning no single company controls it. It's public, anyone can join and use it. Helium is scalable, meaning it can easily grow to accommodate more devices. Helium focuses on providing a useful service for the future of connected devices, the Internet of Things. In short, Helium is a people-powered network that makes connecting devices to the internet easier and much more rewarding. Now let's jump into the nitty-gritty. Helium has a market cap of 600 million USD. The all-time low of the token was in 2020 when it was trading at 0.2 USD. In 2021, it reached an all-time high of 55.22 USD before going on to fall to 2 USD. This year the coin has touched $9 but has fallen now to around 3 USD. I believe this coin has all the potential to touch $10, if possible 15 and then 30 USD. Fingers crossed. HNT token is a coin that is worth investing in. It has very good fundamentals and a history of doing well. You can buy HNT tokens on Bybit, KuCoin and on Redium decentralized exchange. Finally, we have Scale, or you can see the SKL token. The Scale network is like a special layer built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, designed to make it faster, cheaper and much more efficient for building and using decentralized applications. It acts as a bridge between the main Ethereum network and many different side chains, which are like smaller networks connected to Ethereum. Developers can use tools provided by Ethereum and Scale to improve the performance of their decentralized applications. Now, taking a look at the nitty-gritty, you will see that SKL had a market cap of 500 million USD back in March of 2021. It touched an all-time high of 0.8 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 302 million USD before then falling to a low of 0.01 USD. Currently, as of the time of shooting this video, the coin is trading at 0.09 USD, and I believe this is not the true value. You can buy the SKL coin on Binance, OKX and Uniswap. Overall guys, I believe these coins I have mentioned in this video are quite undervalued, and I would recommend you carry out your own research on them before making any investment decision. If you enjoyed this video, I have another one where I shared my top penny stocks to buy in Nigeria. Do well to go watch that video, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as well join my business and investing community. Link will be in the description and comment section, and see you on the next one. Deal.